Welcome to Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it's kind of interesting because I see the video that I posted about the link that Facebook gives you to try to recover an account on Facebook. And of course, a lot of people are mad at Facebook because it doesn't work. A lot of people are mad at my video. They say it's a waste of time. In reality, it's not. It's just that the biggest problem is that if you lied in some way on your account, you're screwed already. That's from the start. And if you didn't lie and your account is real personal information, there are also different things that you might need to do and different ways to continue. And you have to look at the page. There's different ways to recover a Facebook account that's been actually hacked. But one of the things that's interesting, there was an article today about how difficult it is to recover a hacked account. And the problem is it's difficult because the hackers also try to use that functionality to hack into accounts. So think about it for a second. You're trying to recover your hacked account, but a hacker could be going to your account and using that, trying to recover a hacked account, pretending they are you. Which you see how complicated for Facebook it is to verify and really try to give back accounts to people. I'll share this place here. This is a link, another link, which is the identity where you can actually enter either the email or the mobile number that was actually linked to your accounts. For all of you out there saying, well, you know, they changed the email, they changed the phone number, so it doesn't work. It does if you have the time and the patience to work, because Facebook keeps the old email and the old phone number in their records, meaning even if they change it on your account, they know that the original phone number, what it is, and the original email, what it is. And so you have to try to find different ways. There are on many of the pages of Facebook a little written sentence somewhere that says, well, lost control of my account, click here, and so on. You have to try every single way possible, but it is very difficult. The amount of people that don't recover it ever is amazing. And the other thing is, if you look at the comments, there's quite a few number of people that actually recovered their accounts. Now, one thing to note to all of you, I will put the link here. You can try to recover your account from here again. This is a different link from another from Facebook, from the other video that I posted. Remember one thing is that if you do get your account back, make sure that you check the email and the phone numbers and change everything while you have access, because you might change your email, but if they have changed the phone number, they're going to try to recover it with their own phone number to get a secret code, and then you're back into the I lost my account again. So make sure that you change both phone numbers and email so that they don't have the access. And of course, password is something to change also. So anyways, good luck with trying to get your account, but they are saying that even Facebook has a hard time identifying. And if you lied in a question in something on your account, you're going to lose it. One of the ways they're going to try to get you into getting your account back is by sending a photo ID of yourself, a very clear picture and photo ID. That is something that they might ask you. If they do, you will have to do it. If you don't do it, you'll never recover that account. It's one of the ways they have that they can match pictures and they can match who you are with your account and make sure that you are the person behind it. So once again, good luck in all of this. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.